Dear friends, welcome to Library Facts. Today we're diving deep into a vital concept of research, empirical research. Have you ever wondered how researchers collect real-world evidence and turn it into useful knowledge? That's what empirical research is all about. Stay with us as we uncover its meaning, process, types, benefits, and limitations. Everything explained in simple terms. So grab your notebook, and let's begin today's journey of knowledge. Let's explore empirical research. What is empirical research? Empirical research is a type of research based on real-world observation, experimentation, and experience. It involves gathering data through direct or indirect observation and analyzing it to draw conclusions. Rather than relying on theory or assumptions, empirical research seeks concrete evidence that can be tested, measured, and verified. Empirical research adds authenticity to academic studies. Whether in education, social sciences, medicine, or library science, decisions backed by real data are more reliable. It reduces biases, helps in making informed decisions, and validates theories with real-world evidence. Key features of empirical research include 1. Observation-based study, 2. Hypothesis formulation, 3. Data collection, 4. Analysis and interpretation, 5. Objective results. These features ensure that findings are grounded in facts rather than opinions. The empirical research process follows these steps. 1. Define the problem. 2. Review existing literature. 3. Formulate a hypothesis. 4. Choose research methods. 5. Collect data. 6. Analyze results. 7. Draw conclusions. Each step is essential for producing valid and reliable outcomes. Empirical research can be quantitative, numbers and stats, or qualitative, descriptions and meanings. Quantitative research uses tools like surveys and experiments. Qualitative research involves interviews and case studies. Both help explore different sides of a problem. There are several ways to collect data in empirical research. 1. Surveys and questionnaires. 2. Interviews and focus groups. 3. Observations. 4. Experiments. 5. Case studies. The method depends on the research question and objective. A hypothesis is a testable statement that predicts a relationship between variables. Empirical research tests this hypothesis using real-world data. For example, introducing digital tools in libraries increases student engagement. This can be tested using data. Variables are elements that can change or vary. In empirical research, we define independent cause and dependent effect variables. Correct measurement is crucial. Modern empirical research uses tools like 1. Statistical software, SPSS or Excel. 2. Online survey platforms, Google Forms, SurveyMonkey. 3. Audio and video recorders for interviews. In library science, empirical research helps in 1. Understanding user behavior. 2. Improving services. 3. Planning space and resources. 4. Evaluating digital library usage. Empirical studies guide decisions based on actual user needs. Studying an entire population is often impractical. Sampling allows researchers to study a representative group. It can be probability-based, random, or non-probability, purposive, convenient. A well-chosen sample ensures better accuracy and saves resources. Empirical research asks, what is happening? Normative research asks, what should happen? For example, empirical, how many people use the library daily? Normative, should the library be open 24 hours? Both are important but serve different purposes. A form of empirical research is experimental research, where one or more variables are changed under controlled conditions. For example, adding e-resources to a library and measuring the change in student satisfaction is experimental. Research. Case studies focus deeply on a single subject, institution, or event. They are often used in qualitative research. The final step is compiling a detailed report. It includes the objective, methods used, findings, and conclusion. Empirical research has challenges like With AI, big data, and digital tools, empirical research is becoming faster and more accurate. Fields like LIS education and health will continue relying on it to improve systems and serve people. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Library Facts. Thank you.